what is up?
It's monkey time.
Hey guys, what is up? Alex here from Monkey Town. Today I am joined by G-Man Gaming, back in the back. We're going to be gaming together. And guys, he just got a brand new gaming computer.
He made it for me. He owes me $5. I'm kidding.
I owe you $5 for making you a computer.
Oh no.
Oh, for the shout out in your live stream.
Yeah.
Anyway guys, so today we were playing Theme Park Tycoon, then we're doing Heist. He just walks out of the camera view. Garen, where's your park?
I don't even know where I am.
Oh, I think I found it.
Yeah, you found it alright. So basically, explain the challenge, Alex.
Challenge is we're building on each other's park. So this is Garen's park that I'm in. Garen and my park. I'm building on his park. He's building on my park, which my park's down the road.
Basically, I own his park, he owns my park.
Exactly.
It's fun.
Yeah, guys, and there's going to be an Xbox video of me and Garen doing Fortnite. He will be playing up on my Xbox. I will be playing on a 65-inch square TV.
I am really good with big TVs.
Hey, Garen, by the way, you get to use my $100.
I like that.
It's wireless, no cords, bro.
How much did it cost?
$100.
No.
Anyway, guys, so this is going to be a good...
I literally lost in this guy's park.
Anyway, guys, so we are going to be doing a Fortnite video.
America. No.
Anyway,
Get rid of, hold on. How do you get rid of the chat in this? I want to see that.
okay, anyway, so we... What the frick can I thought? Anyway, Echo! Lights off!
Echo.
That's better. Yeah, I got you.
Lights on.
Fail.
Echo. Lights on.
Garrett, stop! Because it's giving me a reflection of my YouTube video, guys. Anyway, so... Well, we're already 2 minutes in and I've just been yapping away. So, we're going to have a Fortnite video and a Forza Horizon video coming out for you today. You not realize I have a hard drive right here.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're doing a Forza video.
Go show what I'm building in your park.
Okay. We're doing a Forza video and a Fortnite video tonight.
Wait, Forza?
Yeah.
Oh.
Bro, we both have it.
Yeah.
And bro, we haven't played in like 7 years, and since it's on my Xbox, we can.
I want to play in 7 years. Wait, I said in 7 years.
Bro, we need to do another Try Not to Laugh challenge.
Yeah, we can do it in person this time.
Yeah.
Pay me money.
And the person who loses has to intro the next person's intro the next person's video. You down?
Yeah, I'm down.
Yes. But guys, he's gonna start doing face cam videos, I think.
Maybe.
He's got a headset. I just got him a dope headset. I built him a brand new computer, got a
I
camera.
didn't even notice that.
The headset, seriously.
Every time I look over here, I've been looking at.
Bro, this actually has a real look at the mic, bro.
Hey. The sugar that I'm on right now?
What?
Made a rooster teeth. Good job. Wait, can I get these plugged into this computer and then, like, listen to my questions?
Let me get it hooked up.
He's not even talking for the first stuff on this.
No, I'm gonna see if I can go. Hold up, guys. I'm hooking up on his headset. I'm going over.
He hasn't even taught me how to do it.
Eddie, I think you can look that up. Oh!
Like always, you hit stuff.
I kicked my thing over here. Ow!
There we go. Now I can watch my own show.
Okay, now let's get into gaming. Ow, my foot hurts. Where are you?
I'm in your park. Building the terrain for the coast.
You mean in your park? It is. Wait. I can't see where the frick I'm going. Oh, found it. Yo, you know what we need to do after this? Guys, by the way, we're going to be doing a vlog at 3 a.m.
What?
We're doing a vlog at 3 a.m., bro.
No, I haven't done before.
What?
What?
We're doing a vlog at 3 a.m. because that's the devil hour.
I know.
Yo, you down?
You know I watch horror movies, I study horror movies, I do a lot of horror related stuff. I love it. Yeah.
Yes, bro. And we also might be doing a Fortnite in real life challenge. In the household, though.
And outside.
Oh, kids go outside.
Oh, yeah.
I have restrictions from my parents.
His parents named him Burrito and Banana.
Anyway, guys, so after this video, me and Garen are going to be doing a try not to laugh challenge if he's down. He's obsessed with his games.
Hey, I like gaming.
I don't know if they can actually even hear you, bro.
I really don't care. If they can't hear me, then I'll just walk right up to them and fart.
I think they might have heard that. Anyway, guys,
If you look over at the reflection, you're seeing the fighting going on. Alex, look in the reflection.
Cringe. Okay, bro, and we are all me and Garen are doing a try not to cry challenge.
What? I never agreed on that crap. No, okay, I'm fine.
Try not to cry, try not to cringe.
Okay, now I know how to do that. I just watch the videos.
I just got roasted. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I agree. My videos are cringy.
Yeah.
And I said that on a YouTube video. Cringe warning, guys. You know, if you guys want to unsubscribe, I totally get it. This video is cringy. I mean, not this video, my channel. But, guys, just know I've been 3 years in this gig. He's been about 7 now.
What? Now?
You said you were on year 4 when I first met you.
Said it was on month 4.
Month 4?
Yeah, I was on month 4, you dingus.
Ah, so this is his 3rd year, too. Here. I just left the ninja in the dust. Keep leaving. All I see is you staring at me.
I'm waiting for money to build up. Ah, what I missed.
What?
I'm doing a lot of terrain work, because remember how I said that I'm making a mountain theme in your park?
Yeah. You'll get over here so we can outro this video, because I gotta outro it, bro.
What?
We need to outro the freaking video, bro.
I can't. Oh yeah, you can hardly even make a video.
Yes. This freaking screen recording. Hey guys, so if you guys did like this video, please leave a big fat thumbs up. And I know it's a short video.
Like your life.
I dropped my thumb drive. Thumb drive.
He's a geek.
Oh, I got a 32 gig one up in my lap that I still need to put on that channel.
Cool. Bye. It's a weird video.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, so please leave a big fat thumbs up. I'm Alex from Monkey Time. Go subscribe to his channel. I'll put the link down in the description below.
You better.
You owe me $70. I'm kidding, guys. Me and Garen are best friends.
I just want to say, look at the flying burrito thumbnail, Alex. You look like a butt.
A red-haired butt. Yeah. I've slimmed up since my past, guys. But, guys,
Yeah, he
I don't know how many
actually-
times I said this. Subscribe to G-Man. Subscribe to me.
Look
I'll-
at you. Do it.
I'll see you guys
Hey, good boy.
in a few minutes. And peace out, guys. Yeet.